Alright, so this is supposed to be, I believe, the XT30 connector, which is super small compared to the other one that you've seen me fly before. These motors are super tiny. They feel good. Alright, hopefully nothing bad will happen. One of the antennas is here and the other one is just flopping around, and I don't like that because, wow, just out of the box it didn't bother to connect it up. I know this is going to end up in the motors for sure, so I'm not too happy about that. The camera looks cute, the whole design looks cute, feels really light, so once I put the battery it should still be way below the 250 grams, but I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here. They gave you extra parts, as I said before. This
Likey